What if the food on your plate is doing far more than simply filling your stomach? What if every bite you take is actually sending instructions to your genes, shaping how your body ages, heals, and protects itself from disease? Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we explore the hidden scientific language of food and how it communicates directly with your DNA. Modern research in epigenetics shows that nutrients are not just fuel, they are biological signals that can switch genes on or off, activating powerful repair systems or silencing harmful pathways. In other words, your daily meals are constantly writing messages into your body's operating system. The exciting part is that certain natural compounds have the remarkable ability to trigger protective genes linked to longevity, detoxification, and cellular repair. Today we'll uncover 6 extraordinary nutrients that act like molecular managers inside your cells, helping your body defend, regenerate, and thrive for years to come. Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we uncover the hidden scientific language of food and how it speaks to your DNA. We often think of food merely as calories for energy, but science reveals it is actually complex biological information. Dr. Thomas explains that specific compounds can physically alter how your genes are expressed, a field known as epigenetics. Imagine your genes are like switches. The right foods can turn on protective mechanisms and switch off disease-promoting pathways. Every meal you eat provides instructions to your cells, dictating whether they should grow, repair, or fight against potential threats. Today we will explore 6 specific compounds that have the proven ability to rewrite your biological destiny for the better. These nutrients act as molecular managers, directing your cells to repair damage and maintain order within your complex system. This knowledge bridges ancient wisdom with modern science, giving us the power to control our health through simple dietary choices. Let us begin this journey into the pharmacy of nature, starting with a powerful compound found in common green vegetables. Our first hero is sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound that acts as a master switch for cellular defense and detoxification. You can find this potent molecule in cruciferous vegetables, with broccoli and broccoli sprouts being the most concentrated natural sources. When ingested, sulforaphane activates the NRF2 pathway, which is essentially the emergency alarm system for your cellular antioxidant defense. This activation triggers the production of enzymes that neutralize toxins and protect your DNA from dangerous mutations and damage. Studies show it is particularly effective at helping the body excrete airborne pollutants and carcinogens we breathe every day. However, there is a catch. The vegetable does not contain sulforaphane until you break its cell walls by chopping. Chopping or chewing mixes the enzyme myrosinase with glucoraphanin, creating the active sulforaphane compound right before your very eyes. To maximize the benefits, chop your broccoli and let it sit for 40 minutes before you start cooking it. Cooking method matters immensely. Boiling destroys the enzyme, so you should always opt to steam your vegetables very lightly. If you must cook it thoroughly, add raw mustard seed powder afterwards to replace the enzymes lost during heating. Research indicates this compound can target cancer stem cells, which are often resistant to conventional chemotherapy and radiation treatments. Broccoli sprouts are even more potent, containing up to 100 times more of the precursor than mature broccoli. Incorporating these cruciferous vegetables is a simple strategy to boost your body's natural defense system against environmental stressors. Now let us travel from the vegetable garden to the vineyard to discover a compound linked to longevity and youth. Resveratrol is a famous compound found in the skin of red grapes, blueberries, and even in some dark chocolate. Plants produce resveratrol as a defense mechanism against stress, injury, and fungal infection, passing that resilience on to you. Its primary power lies in activating sirtuins, a family of proteins often referred to as the longevity genes. Sirtuins are responsible for repairing DNA damage and maintaining genomic stability, which naturally declines as we get older. Beyond anti-aging, Resveratrol helps cut off the energy supply to cancer cells, effectively starving them and halting growth. While red wine contains resveratrol, the alcohol can be harmful, so it is better to consume berries or supplements. This compound also supports cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and preventing the oxidation of bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. Emerging studies suggest it may cross the blood-brain barrier, offering protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. To get the most benefit, consume the whole fruit, including the skin, as the flesh alone contains very little resveratrol. Think of resveratrol as a shield that guards your genetic code against the wear and tear of daily life. Next, we explore a versatile flavonoid found in your pantry staples that acts as a molecular multitasker. Quercetin is a pigment found in many fruits and vegetables, most notably in red onions, apples, and capers. It is celebrated for its ability to disrupt the replication process of cancer cells, stopping them in their tracks. By interfering with cell division, quercetin prevents tumors from growing and spreading to other parts of the body. It also acts as a natural antihistamine, stabilizing cells that release histamine, thereby reducing allergic reactions and chronic inflammation. The highest concentration of quercetin is found in the skin of the apple, so never peel your organic apples. Chronic inflammation is the root of many diseases, and quercetin is one of nature's most effective tools to cool it down. Cooking onions can actually increase the availability of quercetin, unlike some other vitamins that degrade with high heat. It also supports the immune system, helping your body fight off viral infections more efficiently during the cold season. Including red onions and apples in your daily diet provides a steady stream of this protective and versatile compound. We now move to the ancient tradition of tea, specifically focusing on a potent catechins found in green tea. EGCG is the major active compound in green tea and matcha, renowned for its powerful anti-cancer properties. Cancer cells often silence tumor suppressor genes. EGCG has the remarkable ability to reverse this silencing process effectively. By removing the chemical tags that turn these good genes off, EGCG allows your body's natural defenses to reawaken. Matcha is far superior to steeped tea because you consume the entire leaf, ingesting significantly higher levels of EGCG. Just 1 cup of high-quality matcha can provide the antioxidant equivalent of 10 cups of regular brewed green tea. EGCG also inhibits angiogenesis, preventing tumors from creating new blood vessels to feed their rapid and uncontrolled growth. Beyond cancer, it supports metabolic health and promotes relaxation without drowsiness, thanks to the amino acid L-theanine. Sourcing matters. Always choose organic matcha to avoid pesticides and heavy metals that the tea plant might absorb. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your tea can help stabilize the antioxidants, ensuring more of them survive digestion. Our next compound brings a vibrant golden hue to the table and is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the body. It works by blocking the molecule NF-κB, which travels into the nuclei of cells and turns on inflammation genes. Curcumin also promotes apoptosis, a process where cancer cells are triggered to self-destruct rather than multiply indefinitely. Crucially, always combine turmeric with black pepper, as this simple addition increases the body's absorption rate by 2,000%. Without the piperine from pepper, most curcumin passes through your digestive tract without ever being absorbed into your bloodstream. Since it is fat-soluble, you should also consume it with a healthy fat like coconut oil or olive oil. Regular consumption has been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases and arthritis. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or roasted vegetables to effortlessly integrate this golden medicine into your daily routine. Finally, we look to the sea for a compound that is essential for the structure of every cell membrane. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are critical for cellular integrity. They maintain the fluidity of cell membranes, allowing nutrients to enter and waste products to exit efficiently. Beyond structure, omega-3s support the enzymes responsible for DNA repair, reducing the risk of genetic mutations accumulating. Aim for wild-caught fish to avoid the contaminants and antibiotics often found in farm-raised varieties of seafood. For those on a plant-based diet, algae oil, flax seeds, and walnuts are excellent alternative sources of these essential fats. Most modern diets are too high in inflammatory omega-6s, so increasing omega-3 intake helps restore a healthy balance. Your brain is 60% fat, making omega-3s absolutely vital for cognitive function, mood regulation, and mental clarity. These 6 compounds represent a powerful pharmacy that is available to you every time you visit the grocery store. By making conscious choices, you are not just satisfying hunger, you are communicating directly with your genetic code. Food is medicine, but it is also connection, culture, and joy, all of which contribute to a long life. Start small by adding one of these powerful foods to your plate today and build a habit over time. It is never too late to start. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and repair given the right tools. As Dr. Thomas emphasizes, the power to change your health destiny is largely in your hands and on your fork. Experiment with recipes, mix colors, and enjoy the delicious journey of eating for your DNA and your future. Remember that the quality of your food matters. Support local farmers and choose organic whenever your budget allows it. We live in an era where we understand the biology of health better than ever before in human history. Your genes are not your fate, they are your blueprint, and you are the architect who decides what to build. Thank you for watching this deep dive into nutritional epigenetics. We hope you found this information empowering and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with loved ones who might benefit from this knowledge. Check out our other videos for more science-backed guides to mastering your health and longevity journey. Nature provides us with everything we need to thrive. We simply need to learn how to use it wisely. As Hippocrates wisely said thousands of years ago, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Take charge of your well-being today and embrace the vibrant, energetic life that you truly deserve to live. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body with the very best that nature has to offer. This is Live Well Insights, signing off. We will see you in the next video for more health discoveries. Here is a quick summary of the 6 compounds we discussed today. Feel free to pause and take a screenshot. Remember broccoli for detoxification. Chop it and let it sit to activate the sulforaphane before you cook it. Red grapes and berries provide resveratrol for longevity. Always eat the skin where the compound is most concentrated. Red onions and apples offer quercetin to stop cancer replication. Try to preserve as much of the outer layers as possible. Green tea and matcha deliver EGCG to reactivate tumor suppressors. Matcha is your best choice for maximum potency. Turmeric provides curcumin to fight inflammation. Never forget the black pepper to boost absorption by 2,000%. Finally, fatty fish gives you omega-3s for healthy cell membranes. Choose wild-caught sources whenever you can. Incorporating these foods is a powerful step towards a healthier you. Thank you for spending your time with us. Don't forget to subscribe to Live Well Insights so you never miss an update on how to optimize your health. See you in the next episode. Wishing you health, happiness, and a long, vibrant life ahead.